Hi everyone. In this guide, I'll show you how to transfer money from PayPal to Airtm. First, log into your Airtm account and go to Virtual Accounts. Click on Create New and choose USA Virtual Account in US dollars. Airtm will then give you a routing number and an account number for your new virtual account. Next, open your PayPal account and go to your wallet. Click on Link a Bank Account, then select Link a U.S. Bank Account. Enter the routing number and account number provided by Airtm and follow the on-screen prompts to confirm. PayPal will send small verification deposits to your Airtm account to confirm the connection. Once the account is verified, you can transfer your PayPal balance. In your PayPal wallet, choose the option to withdraw funds to your linked bank account. Select your Airtm US virtual account as the destination, enter the amount you want to send, and confirm the transfer. That's it! You've successfully transferred money from PayPal to Airtm.